do binary to octal conversion, our first step would be to divide our digits into groups of 3. So, and we would start from the right hand side. So we would start from here and we would divide these into a group, and then we would divide these 3 into a group. Now write these groups separately. And now what you would have to do is do binary to decimal conversion on each group. So you would apply binary to decimal conversion on this, and you would get a 6, and you convert this into a decimal, then you would get a 5. And just write these into sequence and you would get your octal digit. So this is our answer. And what if our number of digits are not exactly divisible by 3? What if we have 5 digits or 4 digits? So let's also look at an example for that. Let's take this number. And just start from what we did in the previous example. We would start from the right hand side and we would divide these into a group, and now we have a single one left, but we needed 3 digits. So if you need to fill in some digits, you would just write 0 0 in their place. So this is our one group, and to fill in this one we would just add 0 0. Now if you convert this, it would be 1, and we convert this, it would be 5. So our answer would be 1 5 in octal. That was it. That's how you do binary to octal conversion.